Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to learn a very important aspect in the field of construction, okay? So it says how to dig a house foundation, the easy guide. So are you a lover of construction, an artisan, an engineer, a student, or an enthusiast in the field of construction? Please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have a lot of construction tips for you, okay? Real site practical experiences is for you. Let me see your likes, your comments, and the possible shares. Do you understand me? So let's get into what we have today. So what we have today, just like I said earlier, is to how to dig your house foundation, the easy guide. The easy guide here entails certain steps that are involved in digging this house foundation, okay? So, number one is to tie your line on the nail that is on the profile, okay? Assuming your setting out has been done and your profile has been made as well. As you watch this video, it's a real practical experience. Do you understand me? So you have to tie your line on the nail that is on the profile, okay? The nail that is the one that is meant for foundation. Do you understand me? And you have to take it to the other side. So I want you to watch this video. Hope you are seeing the nails, okay? The two extreme nails, they are meant for foundation. Do you understand me? As I highlight it here, I hope you can see it. You have to make sure you tie your line on the two extreme nails, okay? I hope you can see it. The two nails inside are meant for block work, and you have to tie it, take it down as you watch this video, okay, to the corresponding platform over there. Yeah, as you watch this video to the corresponding profile there, you have to carefully tie it. Hope you can see it as I'm tying it, okay? This is a really practical experience, and the foundation being dug here is strip foundation. Yeah, the two extreme nails are meant for foundation. This inside one are meant for block work. I hope you understand. So this is the first step. You have to tie your line first and take it to the corresponding profile, and make sure you tie it to the corresponding profile and using the straightness. So the second thing is to start marking, okay? Marking your foundation line while the line is still on. I hope you are seeing it. You have not removed the line. Don't remove the line yet. Don't remove the line yet. This is your second step. I hope you can see it, okay? You must have finished tying the line and you start marking, okay? This place I have marked my foundation line. In some other places, some people are using a white substance and pour on the ground to mark out the foundation, but here I decided to use my shovel to mark it out, okay, by side, and make sure it is in alignment. Okay, after marking it, I will watch it to make sure it properly corresponds. Hope you can see it. Okay, watch this video. Do you understand me? So guys, the next step is the digging itself. Okay, the digging have started. So I want you to note the process, the procedure. The first procedure is for you to tie your line on the nail on the profile, so to ensure accuracy and precision. So the second one is to mark it on the ground, okay, either by using shovel to mark it on the ground as you watch this video, as you can see, or by just pouring white substance or other substance on the ground to mark out the foundation areas, okay. The reason why these processes are very necessary is to ensure accuracy and precision. And I want you to note that these things are being done under the supervision of an engineer or a builder. It must be under supervision of a building personnel. Do you understand me? So the digging have really commenced, and they are digging. I want you to watch this video. Okay, they are digging according to the line they have marked. Okay, they are digging according to the lines they have marked on the ground. Do you understand me? So everyone from his end, and they are digging furiously. Okay, they will just remove the topsoil. Then after removing the topsoil, now they decided to dig further. And I still want to let you know that the foundation being dug here, the type of foundation is what is called strip foundation, okay? And I still want to let you know that the type of building being constructed here is what is known as the bungalow, okay? I want you to watch this video. And the foundation, the depth of the foundation trench is 2 feet here, okay? So the reason why we use 2 feet here, that's the reason why the depth of this foundation is 2 feet, is because in this part of the world where this project is being constructed, the soil is a bit stable. Do you understand me? Okay, I want you to watch this video. And also the 2 feet depth is according to the specification outlined by the engineer. Okay, so I want you to watch this video. We're almost done digging the foundation. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see the straightness. I hope you can see the edges, very sharp, the straightness of this one. I want to let you know the reason why this foundation is so straight from beginning to the other end. Okay, it's still according to all this process that we have outlined. I hope you can see it. So to tie a line, otherwise known as a rope, to the other end, it must correspond to the other side. Okay, because if you fail to do that, you will not get the straightness and it will be out of dimension. Okay, so finally we are doing the finishing touches to the remaining places of the foundation trench. Okay, so that is it. I want you to watch this video. How does this foundation trench look like? I want to have your honest review. I want to see your comments, your likes. Okay, so after this foundation digging, as you watch this video, okay, the next thing will be the blinding section. Okay, this bungalow is a very massive bungalow, so I want you to rate my work. If you have not subscribed, please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have many construction tips for you, construction ideas. So if possible, I want you to share it.